Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACYD. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one numerous times. Want to get things updated as I've had a bunch of requests come in, especially after this pullback move here. But just up front, nothing to worry about in terms of the overall chart. The key levels of support, the price is still above them. Now, if you're a day trader and you bought up here hoping for a quick scalp, then yeah, I'm sure you're looking at the chart in a little different light. But looking at things from the overall chart, everything is still bullish. We just have, this little intermediate pullback here, which, assuming you've been watching the chart for a while, shouldn't really frighten you because this chart has shown that these types of moves are healthy. Example number one right there, you can see nice move here, and then a couple kind of nasty days here, but put in the higher low, consolidate a little bit more, and then went to new highs. So just look at that as kind of a mind easer, and don't let things freak you out. Profit taking pullbacks are all part of the market. There's no such thing as a stock that can go straight up. Point of the market is to make money, and the only way you can make money is to sell and lock in profits. So that's what it looks like this was. Looking down here at the volume, it's not like there's any insane volume bars where it was a mass amount of dumping. Simply just looks like profit taking down here, looking at these two bars that correlate with these 2 days up here. So what I want to point out is these lines were from the previous times I did the video, so not patting myself on the back, but I'm definitely patting technical analysis and charts as a whole on the back in terms of just proof that it does work. I drew this line well before this pullback here, and I said, this was a level of resistance, and if the price breaks above it, it'll be a level of support. And sure enough, look at that. Look right where it's pulled back and has been hovering around the past 3 days at support. This level right here. So again, not patting myself on the back, but charts do work, and this is a great example here of forecasting where a potential bounce spot would be. So any chartist that had, anybody that's taken the time to learn charts had multiple opportunities right there to play a quick little bounce or accumulate shares or whatever their strategy may be. So right there at 0.05 is going to be the current level of support that you'd ideally like to see hold. If it doesn't hold, then not the end of the world, because you still do have this important level of support here, and then you have the must hold down there, that purple line, which is at 0.027. I'm not saying it will drop down there, but from the grand scheme of things and overall picture, as long as the price does remain above the 50-day simple moving average, then the chart as a whole will remain in the bull's favor. But you'd ideally and definitely like to see it hold up there at a nickel, but if it doesn't, then you still do have right here at 0.036 as another support, and then down here at the 50-day simple moving average. With any sort of bounce and upwards movement, I think the best way to measure that is going to be see how it reacts right up here around the 0.068 level. If it can break through 0.068, then I would look for it to, at minimum, go up there and at least retest these highs. So keep an eye on 0.068 on any sort of bounce. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, and you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategies as a trader, or maybe you're looking for some advanced strategies, I'd encourage you to click on the image above and visit our video course. Multiple video course downloads, which are all instant download format, so you can literally get started today if you so choose. They've been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials, so I'd encourage you to check them out and give them a try. One more time, this was ACYD. Thanks for listening, and have a great weekend.